International Group of Schools, Paslansa. Today's events bring together innovation, learning, and young minds ready to explore the future. We extend a warm welcome to our students, faculty members, and school leadership. Our distinguished partners, representative Arthaverse Technology, thank you for being a part of this meaningful gathering. Intellectual 2025 Chapter 3 is proudly organized by Phoenix International Group of Schools, Paslansa, in collaboration with Arthaverse Technologies. This partnership reflects a shared commitment to experiential learning, innovation, and global perspectives in education. The objective of today's event is to encourage curiosity, commitment, and problem solving, creative thinking skills that are essential in an increasingly interconnected world. Through platforms like intellectual students are empowered to transform their ideas into a practical solutions. We sincerely appreciate the vision and support of the Phoenix International Group of Schools for continuously promoting academic excellence alongside technological advancement. We also acknowledge Arthaverse Technology for their expertise, collaboration for nurturing among students. With this, we officially welcome you all to Intellectual 2025 Chapter 3. We invite you to engage, explore, and be inspired by the ideas presented today. As we move forward with today's proceedings, it is now time to invite the distinguished leaders whose vision, guidance, and dedication continue to inspire excellence in education and innovation. We begin by inviting the dynamic leader and visionary educationist whose commitment has played a pivotal role in the shaping the success of Phoenix International Group of Schools. May I request everyone to put your hands together as we invite Mr. Mohammed Asif Khanzar, the Director of Phoenix International Group of Schools. Thank you, sir. Next, we are honored to welcome an academic leader whose dedication, leadership, and passion for nurturing young minds truly define excellence in education. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in a warm round of applause as we welcome Mrs. Prasanna Madam, Principal of Phoenix International Group of Schools. May I request everyone to put your hands together as we invite Mr. Joining him, we are privileged to welcome a passionate educator and innovator who has played a key role in empowering students to hands-on technology learning. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause as we welcome Mr. Sri the presence of our esteemed dignitaries on the stage. Your leadership, your support add immense value to our Intellectual 2025 Chapter 3. Once again, a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. Let us continue this inspiring journey of innovation, excellence, and collaboration. Moving ahead with today's proceedings, we now come to a very special and inspiring moment of the program. Leadership plays a vital role in nurturing innovation, teamwork, and responsibility. It is with great pride that we announce the elected student leaders of the Robotics Club of the year 2026. The Robotics Club stands as a platform where young minds lead with vision, curiosity, and commitment. The following students have demonstrated exceptional enthusiasm, dedication, and leadership qualities. We are delighted to announce Mr. Ayan as the President of Robotics Club 2026. Please give them a big round of applause. May we request Mr. Ayan and Ms. Halima to kindly come forward and join us on the stage. We now humbly request all the esteemed dignitaries present on the dais to felicitate our new elected President and Vice President by presenting them with their position badges. Give them a big round of applause, everyone.
কোথায় যাবো? Sorry.
Give a huge round of applause, everyone.
स्नेहा पुढे करूया.
Now we are going to recite the robotics pledge.
Pledge to lead with responsibility, integrity, and dedication. I promise to encourage innovation, creativity, and curiosity, to support every member of the robotics club, and to promote teamwork, discipline, and ethical use of technology. I shall uphold the values and vision of Phoenix International Gurgaon School, and work sincerely to make our robotics club a platform for learning, leadership, and excellence. With honesty in my actions and commitment in my duties, I accept this responsibility with pride. I pledge to lead, inspire, and innovate. Thank you.
I, Nima Sadia, as the Vice President of the Robotics Club 2026, solemnly pledge to support the President and the club with dedication and sincerity. I promise to encourage collaboration, creativity, and respect to assist and motivate all club members and to ensure a positive and inclusive learning environment. I shall uphold the values of Phoenix International Group of Schools to contribute actively to the growth of robotics, AI, and technology in our school. With the responsibility in my role and passion in my work, I accept this position with gratitude and commitment. I pledge to support, serve, and strengthen the robotics club with my passion. Thank you.
Congrats to our robotics club leaders of 2026. We wish you a great success as you take on this responsibility and inspire many more young innovators. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at one of the most awaited moments of today's program, the official opening ceremony of Intellectsphere 2025. This movement marks the formal commencement of and grand celebration of innovation, creativity, and future-ready technology in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. To officially inaugurate this prestigious event, we respectfully invite Mr. Mohammad Asif Khan, Sir, Director of Phoenix International Group of Schools, to declare the opening of the expo.
First of all, I would like to thank certain people for their continuous support, hard work, dedication, passion to make kids learn. I would like to first of all start with Prasanna Ma'am, the principal of the branch. That's one, sir. I would like to thank Rajesh sir and his entire team for their hard work, for their dedication. To all my teachers and admin department for your dedication, support, and standing at every occasion with your 100%. I really appreciate all of you. Please a big round of applause for the teachers. Last but not the least, to my dear students who are like my kids to me, you are my dream. I want to see you guys grow in life, learn all the abilities that is required to fight this world. I all appreciate a big round of applause to all of you. Now, I would like to, I've been given a responsibility to give an inauguration to the Intellectsphere 2025 Chapter 3. I repeat once again, show me that courage, show me that dedication, show me that motivation that you all have in you. I openly declare Chapter 3, 2025 of Intellectsphere at Phoenix International Group of Schools, Las Vegas branch. All the this world with your attitude, show them you are not less than anybody else. Can we? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Start.
Start. Cinematic. मूव करो मूव करो.
Abu Bakar and Arfat, we are going to explain about smartphone.
My name is
Show.
We can control his phone also. I do it on. All on. Bulb on. Off. On. He will take time but on. Thank you.
It is widely used to make any frame or robotics function. Over to ma'am.
That sensor detects brightness. This sensor measures speed. Taking audio control appliances.
Clap. Show. Leave it.
We welcome Sahab Muhammad Majid Hussain Sahab, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Princess Council of Capital. Janab Muhammad Majid Hussain Sahab is known as a strongly believed in Nagpur development and inclusive youth. He is known with the years of
represents animatronic eyes. Our teammates are Muhammad Alam, Zaid Alam and Muhammad Azam. Go to my friend Ayan.
I am telling the materials required to make animatronic eyes. Materials: Arduino Nano, custom PCB controller, servo motor, chassis, battery pack, UBAC. Over to my friend Zaid.
Thank you. With this explanation of animatronics, animatronics eyes work like real eyes. The servo motor rotates them left, right, up and down. The Arduino controls all the natural motion patterns. It is battery used in animations and displays. Over to my friend Arthur.
I am giving video application which I am programming good for science fair. Describe using robotics.
Arduino Nano gives signal to servo motors. Servo motors rotate the eyes up and down and left and right. It is also purpose of security and medical purpose also.
Where exactly we can use this?
In security and medical purposes.
17 servo motors, battery pack, servo driver, PCL and 685, Arduino Nano, aluminium frame. Over to my friend Arfat. I'm Mohammed Arfat. Now I'm going to explain you how this project works. The winning component to work
battery
like motion. The 17 servo motors helps its arms, legs and head to move precisely. The aluminum frame keeps the body at one place. The Arduino sends signals to servo driver, PCL and 685. If you have any questions, you may ask.
What is the curriculum? Yes. Every week we can
Rajesh is the person who teaches books. We have a team of 10 members. They come to first to 10. We teach every student concept. Computer classes. My plus English.
परवे और दो
LED screen displays the number like real dice, creator safe and interactive. Creator tool this.
Using games and electronic items, we understand the kind of programming format and program creativity. Over to
Thank you guys.
Motors, I am explaining about this robot. Humanoid blocks and features are to enhance eyes and facial features. Each part of the servo motor that signals to the servo driver. The frame makes it stable. Each introduces upper body of robotics or cells. Application.
Teacher servo model on for Humanoid transport.
Thank you. Side study.
Hello, I am Marjada. Biophysics and immediately you will see the movements and more treatment is the article control print activity. The 3D printer makes hand shape. This project we are telling about quantum pattern robots, contains methods, materials required, servo motors, wires, battery pack, power robot, computer software, explanation. The quantum pattern robot 3D printer print all the motors properly. This stage covers algorithm student learn structure, pattern, student learn workplace, applications of robots, efficiently and Hello, my name is Sazan. Hello, my name is Abdul Aziz. Hello, my name is my father's name is explanation the daily printer for useful for learning basic of capital logic. Oh, my friends, yes. Thank you.
तो बच्चे मिस तो नहीं हो रहे हैं भाई भाई हम तो जान लेंगे
Princess of English International Group of School. Today I am here with my friend Hussein to present our project in this 3D printer. Material white. Because I meant and deposit diamond onto the bed. For this I
I am Mohammed Hussain from Today I am making a 3D printer is a machine that creates real objects using measured filament, powder and actual work together to place and material. This is on the needed bed motor and or making different directions. Application of this robot used to create modern robot help students to learn rapid prototyping, ideal for science fair and demonstration time.
Completely printed with this machine. This machine. So all the project in our all most of the projects are printed with this. Unlike other robotics companies, we were teaching them how to print their prototype.
Sorry.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsha. It prevents damage to object kept outside. Over to my friend. Good afternoon everyone. Real-time applications. Protecting schools, notice boards from rain for plants. Over to my friend Akif. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jayara. Can we use innovative vision prevent item damage during rainfall? Thank you. Automates electrical appliances, light sensor turn on and off automatically. Temperature sensor helps control fan. The Arduino uses sensor data to make decisions relay heavy appliances safely. The product teaches modern home automation. Over to my friend Afar.
My name is Mohammed Afar. I am telling about application used for energy help energy people operating application useful in modern house. Teach motion sensor and not
Bulb on off. Will off. All off. All on. Will off. Thank you.
Sensor detects orientation. Over to my friend. Good morning. Good afternoon, respected sir. My name is Alia Fatima. I am studying grade 4. The audio nano change, the LED panel, the LED matrix makes the animation smooth and right. Thank you. Over to my friend. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aksana. Real-time applications can be used as a digital timer helps understand sensor-based orientation. Over to my friend. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mir Muhammad Yusuf. Coding and display control skills good for touch demonstration. Over to my friend. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sheikh. LED matrix is multiplied by 8 displays the following child effects. Over to my friend. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sumaya Fatima. Your sensor detect rotation. Audio nano conference LED animation. Over to my friend. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Khadija Fatima. Jumper wires connect components, battery packs, supplies power. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you for it.
Tasks like humans, she can teach. She mostly this robot used in restaurants to serve the food, as well as home also.
What we should do? We should ask something?
Yeah, we can give the commands to him.
Give the command. Sir, क्या command है ना? Give the command.
You can give a command yourself.
Ni hao.
I am Tiger. I am your personal voice assistant. Tell me what can I do for you? I am here to welcome you all for the robotics festival.
Good job.
Me, how?
Here only G.
How are you?
Do not know.
Will you eat?
Not yet, nothing too.
Great. Good job.
I was created by Autobot Technology.
Bro. Bro.
Does it work?
Today I am telling how to use required. Gear sensor in right direction. AC motors turn over towards right. Idle and process in CPR ready temperatures for straight. Battery charge power.
Application good for researching improvement. Encourage experimentation, license and over to my friends. I am filtering using application. Friends to learn subject on face. Teachers also always over. Thank you. Show you.
International Group of School. Our project name is desktop number 2. Today I am telling material required. Arduino Uno, Nano, servo model, LED matters, temper wire, CD features. Thank you. Over to my friend Mani.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mani Fatima. I am from grade 9. The control runs the code and tells the motor driver how fast the direction motor should spin. The sensor feeds data back to a controller so the robot can react. The power split between the motor high voltage, the logic board 5V or S3.3 be the changes will everything will hold everything together and give the shape.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Moyuddin. I am from grade 5. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohammed Naga from grade 5. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohammed Ahmad. Our school name is Felix International Group of School. My project is Bluetooth controlling card. Material required: Bluetooth module, receive command from phone, DC motor, move the car, motor command, motor direction, Arduino Nano process command. Battery pack, provide power, continuous maintenance. I am telling explanation the Bluetooth control car more using instructions and for a smartphone the Bluetooth module receives signal and share them to Arduino. The Arduino tells motor how to move the wheels, make the car driver forward, backward and turn to the system, teen, mobile, robot, inventor, continuous my friend Mavia. I am telling application. The one starts service control button was used for learning that good for computation, schedule, I am continuing application. Help practice coding, teach Bluetooth communication, impress interactive design. Level forward, right, left, backward. Applications of Junora were used to understand basic robot technology, helpful from school science exhibition, can explore smooth indoors and over to my friend Sadia. My name is Sadia. I am studying coding and motor control support learn about the communication, increases creativity with design. Thank you. Robot materials required to make this project are wheels, chassis, Arduino Nano, DC motor driver, frame sensor required to make this project. Over to my friend Shiva. Now I am going to explain about the firefighting robot and how it works. The firefighting robot detects fire by using fire sensor. When a sensor identifies a flame, the Arduino activates and moves in the direction. This shows how it was our safety operation. It is a sensor reaction and pump control. The project promotes fire safety awareness. Over to Misbah.
Application of this robot used in fire safety training, health demonstrating emergency robotics, useful for science fairs, ensures automation in dangerous conditions, encourage robotics for rescue mission, teaches real detection technology.
Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Shekhar and I am building application of robots used to understand factory automation, helps in object, process control, encourages industrial creativity. Thank you.
It's a working model, yeah.
Forward. Together. Divide. Select. Six. Time.
International Book of School. I am studying in grade 3. My school name is Phoenix International Book of School. My project name is RF Control Car. RF receiver receive comments. AC motor provide movements. Motor driver control la motor. Article and process comments. Battery backup plus 4. What RF control car? The RF control car means personal center radio frequency receiver allows and sending the Arduino unit shows over to the my name is Sarita. I am studying grade 5. My project name is RF Control Car. Application. Board from Robot Foundation used from basic risk automatically changes intelligent in wireless robot. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi.
Very nice. It's okay.
I'm very thankful to Haji Viren Sahab.
भाई जरा आगे रखो ना, जाओ ना जी.
In the busy schedule to come and appreciate the students. I guess and I hope he might have enjoyed looking at the kids that have done the job of robotics and artificial intelligence. And we all should appreciate it and thank him for the great work he has done when the accident happened during the December. He personally took out the time and admired and great job behind all these people who have lost their lives. May Allah accept their shahada and grant their those. Bless Mr. Mahdi Hussain to do this kind of work in future also. Now, I would really like to ask Mr. Mahdi Hussain to please come up and say a few words about whatever he has experienced with the students. Thank you.
मेरे बड़े भाई आसिफ खान साहब डायरेक्टर ऑफ फॉरेन स्कूल्स, प्रसन्ना मैडम प्रिंसिपल और फॉरेन स्कूल राजेश भाई, आसिफ खान साहब का मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे खासतौर से इस एग्जीबिशन में मुझे शामिल किया और जो मुझे यहाँ देखने मिला वो शायद ही मेरे 2-3 साल या 5-10 साल के टर्म में मैंने बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशन अटेंड किए हैं, but this was totally different. The students were representing this. They were tremendous in their job और जिस तरीके से वो लोग बात कर रहे थे और जितना कॉन्फिडेंटली वो हमसे अपने सब्जेक्ट और अपने थ्योरी को समझने, खासकर ये उम्र में इनके बीच में रोबोटिक्स लाए आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और मैं ये उम्मीद रखता हूँ और मैं वालिदैन को भी जितना मैं देखा हूँ ये वालिदैन को तवक्को दे सकता हूँ कि मैंने यहाँ पर आपके बच्चों को मजबूत हाथों में देखा है और मैं ये कोशिश करता हूँ कि यहाँ से बच्चे और बेहतर काबिल होकर और अपने पाँव पे खड़े होकर निकलेंगे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं तमाम बच्चों को जो भी मेरी आवाज़ सुन रहे हैं मैं एक एक को तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और उम्दा तरीके से आपने अपनी चीज़ को पेश किया है, बड़ी कॉन्फिडेंटली आपने पेश किया है। इस कॉन्फिडेंस को और बरकरार रखिए, इस कॉन्फिडेंस को आगे लेके जाइए, इस कॉन्फिडेंस को गिरने मत दीजिए। कहीं एक जगह लचक होती है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है गलती हुई है, और लचक का मतलब ये है कि हमें गलती सुधारने का मौका मिला है। इस मौके का फ़ायदा उठाइए और अपने आप को और मजबूत करिए इंशाअल्लाह। ऐसा मंद हो कि आप लोग तमाम ने मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया, आपके बीच में इज्जत दी। शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह। आप ही सर।
Thank you, sir, for visiting us today. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause. Let's make this special. Give a huge round of applause. Give a huge.
I'm not ready for all this.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yeah, one thing I would like to say, just one sentence: consistent efforts bring consistent results. So not only today, you have to keep doing this, whatever you have been doing, and you will see great success in the future.
Now I request my another sister, she speaks a lot when she is home, and I give her my to see what she does.
She speaks a lot. Assalamu alaikum everyone. मैं बातें तो बहुत करती हूँ, पर जब भी कैमरा लेते हैं मुझे नहीं पता। But anyways, my experience बहुत awesome, wonderful job. Okay, and keep it up.
Now, I would like to ask my younger sister, Amira, to come up and say a few words. She is not only my younger sister, but she has done teaching in the past also in Saudi Arabia. And let's see what she has to say.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It was a great pleasure. It was a great pleasure being with you all. Wonderful little kids. Really nice to see all working models. It was very nice to be with you all. Okay? And especially I want to thank the robotics sir and all the faculty in Phoenix International School who all are doing a great job. Just do that. Whatever you're doing, just do it.
Innovators has patiently explained their project, answer continuously questions, and impress parents students today.
Before we formally begin the closing ceremony, we request your attention as we invite our esteemed dignitaries back onto the stage to share their valuable experiences and reflections from today's event. Really, I appreciate all my students who gave their should prepare students for the future, and today our children prove they are ready to think, explore and innovate. My heartfelt appreciation to our students for their hard work, to our teachers for their constant guidance, and to our and Robotic Expo as a success. Let today be remembered not as the end of an event, but as a step forward in our journey of innovation and experimental learning. Thank you. Thank you so much for being a part of this inspiring day. Thank you students, and thank you as well as the parents and the teachers, those who supported the meetings management to do all the work, especially my loud teachers. Rajesh, continuing sir, founder of ArtaWorks Technology, the visionary force behind today's technological excellence, we kindly come forward to the stage.
Standing here today at Phoenix International Group of Schools fills me with pride and gratitude. As a founder of ArtaWorks Technologies Private Limited, I can confidently say we may conduct many events, but every event in Phoenix is truly special for me. The trust and encouragement of the Phoenix management constantly push us to raise the bar and challenges ourselves to do better every single time. Interolympiad 2025 Chapter 3 is not just a platform where curiosity turns into confidence and ideas turns into innovation. My heartfelt congratulations to all the students today. You did not just excel knowledge, you excelled vision, courage, teamwork and leadership. You proved that age is never a barrier when passion meets opportunity. I sincerely appreciate the management, principal ma'am and team bigger and execute stronger. At ArtaWorks Technologies minds to turn students from technology users to technology creators and to ignite innovation at the school level itself. And I would like to end with this powerful thought. Today, these students build projects. Tomorrow, they will build solutions. And very soon, they will build the future of our nation. That future has already begun right here at Phoenix. Thank you.
Please put your hands together as we welcome.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I can't hear the noise. Good evening, sir. That's good. So, I'm really excited to end this session here because I've seen many innovations today. I've seen so many students working hard for this event. I've seen so many students who have given their 110% for this event. Thank you everyone for this. And engineering prowess. From agile walking, navigating obstacles to AI-driven companions solving real-world problems. Your exhibits aren't just machines, they are visions. So debugging doubts, iterated through failures and witness this path of innovation. Keep making, keep breaking and keep innovating. Thank you.
From our dignitaries who have closely observed the students' efforts and overall impact of today's expo. Now I would request Rajesh sir to please come forward. And also I would like to respectfully invite Mr. Mohammad Asif Khan sir, Director of Phoenix International Group of Schools, Control Daya. Please come forward. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Rajesh sir.
Before I proceed further, I would like to pause for a moment and speak from my heart. This platform, Phoenix International Group of Schools, is not just a venue for me. It's a place of beginnings. The very place where we are gathered today is the same place where Arthropods received its first belief, its first opportunity, and its first climb. Today, we proudly stand with 20 plus collaboration, but the journey began right here. Special to us, not just because we conduct events here, but because Phoenix believed in us when Arthropods was just a vision. That belief has continually pushed me to work harder, think bigger, and deliver better every single time. In this moment, I would like to sincerely appreciate the management of Phoenix International Group of Schools who trusted and encouraged to lay the foundation of everything we are today. Now I would like to take this moment to felicitate a person who is not just a supporter, but a mentor, a guide, and a constant source of strength. When no one knew where this journey would lead, when Arthropods was just an idea, the person who believed in me without hesitation was Asif Kansar. He always treated me like his younger brother, stood beside me at every stage, and the confidence he instilled in me is truly priceless. Sir, you didn't give just as an idea, it is from the first time you gave us belief. You filled fuel in me to optimize more, to work more, and to never settle for less. Today I proudly take this moment to felicitate my mentor, my guiding force, and the person who gave Arthropods its first direction, Mr. Asif Kansar. Please, I just want all the people to put your hands together. I want to felicitate Asif Kansar. And I want all the team on Arthropods Technology to come on to that stage.
चले
Please stay back on the stage only, all the dignitaries. Equally important to this journey is a leader who has been exceptionally supportive, encouraging, and trusting in our vision. I would like to platforms like IntelliSphere, grand and meaningful. Your faith in us motivates us to perform with greater responsibility and excellence. On behalf of Arthropods Technologies, I would like to felicitate Prasanna ma'am for her unwavering support and trust in our journey.
मैडम यहाँ फोटो कैम
Robotics and technology, and I proudly say Arthropods is not just a company, it is a journey built by behalf, driven by teamwork and powered by purpose. Thank you.
Dear students, my teachers, my IRs, my admin department, my principal man, I want you to cheer up for yourself and a big round of applause for the teachers and the team who have done such a great job today. And give you all the happiness and life you deserve. Thank you so much.
I think you are not tired of so we should only extend our exercise.
Yeah, wait.
बैठ जाओ भाई
मैडम या पुढे कॅमेरा मॅडम या पुढे कॅमेरा
पटे
पुढे कॅमेरा
कल्याण ना
रेडी है पुढे पुढे कॅमेरा
प्राइज लिस्ट करा ना ఇప్పుడు అన్నా
अरे पैसे नहीं सामने आने दो बस
Chapter 3. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Mehdi Asif Khan sir, Director of Phoenix International Group of Schools. Sir, your unwavering support, encouragement and valuable opportunity you have given our support is impart knowledge in robotics and AI. And have been instrumental in making this event a grand success. Your vision, planning and foresight have laid the foundation for today's achievement, and we are truly thankful for your trust and guidance. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Ms. Prasanna Madam, Principal, Phoenix International Group of Schools, First Answer. Madam, your meticulous attention to detail, constant supervision, and caring approach ensure that every aspect of this event, from student coordination to arrangement, was executed flawlessly. The smooth organization and disciplined execution reflect your exceptional leadership. My special thanks to Mr. Sriraja sir, co-founder Afterward Psychology Private Limited. Sir, you have been a backbone of the technical execution of this event. Your dedication, technical planning, and tireless effort played a crucial role in transforming ideas into reality. Thank you for your commitment and hard work. I would also like to sincerely thank Ms. Priyanka, Academic Director, senior support in student preparation, mentoring and coordination. My appreciation also goes to Ms. Pujita, robotics trainer, for guiding us with patience, passion and technical excellence. And a big thank you to the entire team of Anthapur, Mr. Sandeep Chari and Mr. Nagaraj sir, who joined us today and worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Your teamwork, dedication and professionalism truly made this event successful. I also extend my sincere appreciation to all the teachers of Phoenix International Group of Schools, first class and brand. Your creativity in decorations, classroom arrangements, and constant motivation over the past few weeks inspired us to deliver our best, both technically and creatively. My heartfelt thanks to the non-teaching staff, including the administration team, IR and watchmen, for their silent yet invaluable contribution in managing logistics and ensuring smooth arrangement throughout the day. A special note of gratitude to all the parents. Your trust, encouragement and continuous support for your children made today truly meaningful. Your belief in their abilities is what drives their success. And finally, my biggest applause goes to my dear champions, the students. You are the true stars of today. Your confidence, creativity, innovation and enthusiasm made this day shine. The energy on this campus today is because of their outstanding performances. Congratulations to each one of you, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And there is a unanimous and constant support for the encouragement, and thank you all of you from my bottom of my heart. With this, I'm honored to officially declare the closure. Interlisphere 2025, Chapter 3, closed.
Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! Now take a pledge.
Next 3 days, only the teachers. The students work hard for your examinations. And all my teachers, thank you so much. So thanks so much all of you. Thank you, Harsh, for your dedication and support for Rajesh and all the team members. You have new faces to meet you. But Harsh is with me for almost 2 years now. Thank guys. Keep up the good work. Don't think this is the end. This is just the beginning. We will prove that we will keep working hard, and success is not in our hands. Success is in the hands of God. All we can do is we can work hard, show some insight of us. Take care of this. Thank you once again. And thank you, Yusuf. Thanks to you also. A big round of applause for Yusuf and all. Thank you very much. Except 2 people, they are not doing anything. Their name क्या है? Nazia. Mary. Okay, thank you, Maria. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Nazia. Big round of applause for them also. And all the